You're kidding. Renee and James decided they would come to Alaska and do a little silver salmon fishing on the Egegik River for their wedding anniversary. Here in the Bristol Bay region, the Egegik River yields high numbers of silver salmon. If you take a look around, you'll notice there's no fishing pressure as well. This remote river and camp provide a unique fishing adventure. So come and check us out in the Becharof National Wildlife Refuge. Look us up on the web at BecharofRapidsCamp.com.